हाय माय ऑल यूट्यूब फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आप सब लोगों को पता है मैं जयपुर में वेनस मिस एंड मिसेस इंडिया सीज़न 4 में जूरी मेंबर हिसाब से आई है। एंड आई वॉज द मिसेस इंडिया 2024 एंड मिसेस इंटरनेशनल 2024. And after that, wherever I'm going either as a jury member or as a गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर। तो जयपुर में ये सेशन 3 दिन का था। यहाँ पे मैं सेकेंड डे की सेशन आप लोगों के सामने लेके आई है। इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग में स्विमिंग पूल के पास में हम लोगों का योगा एंड एरोबिक्स की सेशन था। एंड आवर कोरियोग्राफर वाज नेहा मैम। शी वाज वेरी नाइस लेडी एंड ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था एकदम अर्ली मॉर्निंग में, एंड दैट टू स्विमिंग पूल के पास में। बहुत अच्छा से हम लोग एरोबिक सेशन में ज्वाइन किया और उसके बाद जब सेशन ख़त्म हो गया वी केम बैक टू आवर रूम एंड वी जस्ट शेयर्ड सम लाइट मोमेंट्स। हियर सम मॉडल्स आर देयर, वी ऑल एंजॉयड टुगेदर। आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर completion of that, we took break and we came for the breakfast. And regarding breakfast, क्या बताएं? It was like really awesome. You can see, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं coffee, tea, different sorts of fruits, fruit juice. After that, cornflakes, then hot milk, cold milk, this side idli, then चूरा की पुलाव था, then सूजी की हलवा था, then आलू पराठा था. After that, cheese balls were there. So it, and moreover that, different sorts of cookies, dessert was awesome. So after enjoying those things and all, we came for the makeup. And makeup के लिए लैक्मे एकेडमी का फुल टीम आए थे वहाँ पे, makeup as well as hair too. It was the photo shoot round. Photo shoot round में 2 rounds were there. One was the Indian costume पहन के photo shoot होना था, and second one was Western costume पहन के. So here makeup is going on. All are busy in the makeup only. And after that, it was those were the finalists. We have given them the sash. She was my makeup artist. And she puts beautiful makeup. These are all 2 models were there. And she was the fashion designer. So these are all the photo shoot pics, you can say. 2-3 sorts of different dresses I was putting on. And she's Madam Neha. She is one of the model. And here's Mr. J.G. Kashyap, our director, sir. And after that, it was the talent round. And I was the jury member. Sir was conducting the program. So we 4 were there in the judges panel. You can see the photographs over here. At our back, these all the models were there. All were enjoying. Everyone has contributed something according to their talent. They have performed, some of them, they have showed their caliber in painting. Some of them, they took part in dance. Some of them, they took part in music, singing. Some of them, they took part in dramatic they have just placed over there the dramatic performances. And Mr. Kashyap, the director, said he himself is a very good singer. So sometimes he was singing even. We all were enjoying together. There was the unveiling session of the crowns that you can see. We the judges were there. the crowns and the trophies we have just unveiled. So the models were very much excited, and next day naturally it was a finale, so they all were very much excited. So this is the talent round. So different models, they are performing different things. That you can see, and in different languages they have presented the dances or the songs and all. Some of them they have performed the tribal dance also. One Bengali lady was there, she performed in Bengali songs. Some of them in Marathi, some of them it was in Assamese language, because the models were from the different parts of India. From 25 states the models came and they took part. So according to their state, they have presented over there on the stage. She was a very good actress. She performed very well. And we all were enjoying. At the same time, marking was also going on. And in the morning, we had the glamorous look round also. This is the talent rounds. These all the rounds मिला के all together marking होगा, and at last में we will be adding all the marks, and on the basis of that, like Miss India, Mrs. India, then the Mrs. MP, Mrs. Gujarat, Mrs. Bengal, like that way. Even the best photogenic face, most glamorous look, most talented one, like these way, different sorts of crowns and the sashes used to be given there. So I was having a very important role, as you all can understand. Judgment, you have to be very neutral, as well as you have to be very careful about each and every parts of the performance, starting from their costume, selections of the songs. Then lastly, along with our director sir, we all the judges were there. This is the panel of judges. And uske baad welcome party was there. We all enjoyed together. In the party, it's the dinner, the raita, salad, mixed veg, dal, pulao, then sweets, then butter naan. We all have enjoyed together. Beautiful dinner. And here is the end of the second day. Stay tuned. So I'll be coming up with the third day's video. Thank you for watching.